Do you feel confident about the first conditional? I explain everything in this video. Hello, I'm Shona and I run the website Perfect English Grammar. We help millions of students every month improve their grammar and their English. So conditionals are sentences that talk about a thing and its possible result. If I pass the exam, I'll get a new job. Pass the exam is the action and get a new job is the result. We can put the if clause first or second. The meaning is exactly the same. I'll get a new job if I pass the exam. There are different types of conditionals. Today, let's talk about the first conditional. The first conditional has the present simple after if and the future simple in the other clause. So it's if and the present simple, will and the infinitive. It's used to talk about things which might happen in the future. Of course, we can't know the future, but this describes possible things which could easily come true. If it rains, I won't go to the park. It's quite likely that it might rain. I am in London after all. If I study today, I'll go to the party tonight. If I have enough money, I'll buy some new shoes. Seems quite possible I'll have enough money for shoes. She'll be late if the train is delayed. It seems like we think maybe the train will be delayed. She'll miss the bus if she doesn't leave soon. Or, if I see her, I'll tell her. I think it's quite likely, in this case, that I will see her. How is this different from the zero conditional? So the first conditional describes a particular situation, while the zero conditional describes what happens in general. So, for example, if you sit in the sun, you'll get burned. Here I'm talking about today, this particular situation. So I use the first conditional. Another day it might be different. However, if I use the zero conditional and I say, if you sit in the sun, you get burned, I'm talking about every single time you sit in the sun. It's like a habit. I'm talking in general. So that's why I use the zero conditional. How is the first conditional different from the second conditional? So the first conditional, the action in the if clause is much more likely than the action in the second conditional. If I have enough time this week, I'll have a bath. It's pretty likely that I'll have enough time to have a bath, so I use the first conditional. On the other hand, if I had enough time this week, I'd go to Australia. Seems unlikely I'll have enough time this week to go to Australia. It's just an imaginary idea. So I use the second conditional. Thank you so much for watching. Please do click the link in the description to get your first conditional practice. And please do also subscribe to the channel.